I've got recommended from 1FSB Dehradun. So we have to press the fire button when we show the beep sound. As quickly as we press the fire button, the more marks we will get. How I have cleared CPSS, what are things that we should know about CPSS. Good morning everyone, I welcome you all, and I am Abhay Kumar. I have got recommended from 1FSB Dehradun. So I would like to tell you about that how I have cleared CPSS and what are things that we should know about CPSS. As many of the students who are preparing for SSB have doubts about CPSS, so I would like to tell them about that. So firstly, earlier it was PABT, but now it has been replaced by the CPSS. The thing which have changed in the CPSS is just that earlier the first paper which used to be written in PABT now has been changed by digitally, and it was all computerized in CPSS. And in CPSS, first paper is for the reasoning, where the reasoning questions are there, so you can easily prepare for that by reasoning. And in that you are shown the meters of the cockpit of the plane, where you have to find out that in which direction the plane is going. That type of questions are there, and the reasoning mathematical questions are there, and many other reasoning questions are there. So if you are preparing for reasoning, then you will easily be able to pass that exam. And in my SSB, the 10 of our batchmates who got recommended all have cleared the stage 1. And in stage 2, that there is a module of cockpit where we used to sit and we have to play some video games like things, which there are about 9 to 10 games which we have to play. And the thing which we have to learn, which we have to focus, is that we have to show multitasking in that, and our brain has to function at many things. So the first game, which is the most important game, is that the cursor is there on the screen and there is a ball bouncing all around the screen. So we have to balance the ball in the green area. There are 3 boxes. One is the smaller box is yellow color, the green color and the red color. We have to balance the ball in the green color. The maximum marks are for the shortest box. So we have to balance it in that. And for other things, which we have some pedals with our legs, we have to balance with that, and the joystick we are having in our hand. And we have to put one hand here on the screen. There are 2 buttons. The which button will glow, we have to click on that. And we are having our headphones on our head, and we will hear a sound of beep, a light beep sound will be there. So we have to press the fire button when we show the beep sound. As quickly as we press the fire button, the more marks we will get. As we delay, the lesser marks we will get. And we have the best of 3 attempts. You have the time to play every game for 3 seconds. The best score will be calculated. So, and many more other games were there. As there was a ball falling, we have to trace the ball. As it was moving around hazily and cursively, so we have to trace the ball with that. And many other games were there. So this type of games were there, and it will help. Some gamers are there. In my course, some gamers were there. They have shared their experience that gaming has helped them, as I was not a game player. So it was just at instant I have gone for it. And I would like to thank my Gulab sir, the director of Warriors Defense Academy, and other faculty members who have taught me and always kept motivated me. As I was not unable to qualify the written exam for the first 2 attempts, then he motivated me and keep supporting me, and he always have faith in me. And then I was able to qualify the written exam and helped me in SSB, clearing the SSB, and told me everything about that, and my friends whom with I prepared, and the teachers and my seniors for the guidance. Thank you. हमारे जो DSO सर थे वो आए रिजल्ट लेके, फिर उन्होंने अनाउंस करना शुरू किया. चेस्ट नंबर 3, 5 ऐसे करके उन्होंने नंबर अनाउंस करना शुरू किया. और उन्होंने कहा था, जब मैं तुम्हारा चेस्ट नंबर बोलूं तो तुम अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ जोर से चिल्लाना. तो चेस्ट नंबर 3 बोला, 5 बोला, 11 बोला, 17 बोला, और फिर मेरा चेस्ट नंबर कॉल किया मेरे लाइन रो में 27. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि एकदम सब ब्लैंक, मैं एकदम ब्लैंक हो गया उस टाइम पे. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया हुआ क्या ये मेरे साथ. मैं अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ चिल्लाना चाह रहा था, लेकिन मैं चिल्ला ही नहीं पा रहा था. ऐसा हो गया. तो मुझे 4-5 अटेम्प्ट लगे मुझे मेरी डेट ऑफ बर्थ बोलने में।
वो जो खुशी होती है जब रिजल्ट आता है और पॉजिटिव आ जाए, जिसका इतना सब्री से इंतजार, भैया 2 अटेम्प्ट दिए थे, रिटर्न एग्जामिनेशन फेल हुए थे, फिर पास हुए, फिर इतनी लंबी जर्नी, और उसके बाद इंटरव्यू कैसा खराब हो गया यार, लड़के इतना डरा रहे हैं आपको, तो इतना प्रेशर जब अचानक रिलीज होता है, यार ये तो कुछ नहीं था, हो गया मैं। तो वो अलग ही फीलिंग होगी, और आपसे बेहतर कौन समझ सकता है उस चीज को।